All right, out here in Hesperia. Hesperia.
Hesperia?
Right? How do you say it?
Hesperia.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. My way was more interesting. Good? Wow. Oh shit. Here we go. Wow. Awesome out here. Those are big whoops. Ooh. I'm not sure if you had a destination.
No?
Oh, okay.
I'm just going.
Alright, let's go. I like going. It's like most of what I do. Except for when I stop. But then eventually I go again. So, yeah. There's that. Oh my god, it's gorgeous out here. Holy shit, I missed this. I love the dirt. I love the dirt. Little brake check there. They work. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Make sure my dog's okay. Okay. He's making me feel good.
Look, I've never been this far.
Really? Nice. Pretty awesome. Woo. Aqueduct. Yield! Dude, yield! You didn't yield! Yield harder! Nice.
Yeah, I've never been over here where this aqueduct is.
Yeah, this is awesome over here.
Yeah, it goes in the ground right here.
What, huh?
The aqueduct goes in the ground right here.
Oh, okay. An underground aqueduct?
Fuck, now of course you're not dropping water.
Yeah, right? Oh, yeah, we're way closer now. Yeah, earlier, for you people at home, there was a guy training what water drops from a helicopter for the fire station, and right at that puddle right there, little pond or whatever. He's gone now. He took 2 runs that we saw. Well, that's all for now.